Have you ever wondered how the future of chemical manufacturing could be shaped by artificial intelligence and robotics? Well, it's not just a question of if, but when. As we speak, artificial intelligence and robotics are transforming industries around the globe, and the chemical manufacturing sector is no exception. Their potential is vast, and the dawn of this revolution is already upon us. From streamlining production processes to enhancing safety protocols, AI and robotics are becoming indispensable tools in chemical manufacturing. Imagine a world where chemical reactions are monitored and controlled by intelligent algorithms, where robots handle hazardous substances, reducing human risk and increasing operational efficiency. This isn't a scene from a science fiction novel, it's the reality of today's chemical manufacturing landscape, shaped by the unstoppable force of technological innovation. Now, you may be wondering, how are these technologies making a difference in the real world? Let's delve into a concrete example, a case study of a leading chemical manufacturing company that has embraced AI and robotics. Imagine a company, let's call it Chemtech, that has been a prominent player in the chemical industry for decades. Chemtech, like many other companies, was grappling with challenges such as equipment downtime, operational inefficiencies, and safety concerns. To address these, they turned to AI and robotics, and the results were nothing short of transformative. One of the key areas where AI made a significant impact was predictive maintenance. By leveraging machine learning algorithms that analyzed historical and real-time data from their machinery, Chemtech was able to predict potential equipment failures before they occurred. This drastically reduced unexpected downtime and the associated costs, enhancing the overall efficiency of their operations. AI also played a crucial role in process optimization. Chemtech utilized AI-powered software to analyze complex chemical reactions and processes. This led to the identification of optimal conditions for each process, resulting in better product quality, reduced waste, and improved efficiency. Then there's the critical aspect of safety. Chemical manufacturing can be a high-risk environment, and traditional safety measures can only go so far. Enter robotics. Chemtech employed advanced robots capable of performing tasks in hazardous environments.